Just got this shade cloth. It's a 6x10 shade cloth and it's 40%. I'm going to put it on my greenhouse and just open it up and see what's in here. It doesn't feel at all like I thought it would feel. It's kind of plastic. Here it is. Yeah, it kind of feels like plastic here. Let's see it. It feels strong. I'm attaching this shade screen on my greenhouse. I had used these to passing down the greenhouse to the PVC. They work great. Let's see, I'll put this on here. Make sure I get it on the right area. Here. They just kind of pop right in place. And they hold pretty securely. Put this here. Yeah. There. You can see I've got this pulled pretty tight. I imagine it'll loosen up. But it looks pretty good. You can see the doorway there, and you can see where the net starts there. It does offer quite a bit of shade. You can see right there. Walking in, I guess it feels a little bit cooler. But we'll see how my plants do when I get them in here.